Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's vlog we are in Koh Rong Samloem and we head to Lazy Beach. We also go on a cool boat trip around the island with our friends, and then we head to Kampot and we try the best burger in Cambodia. We're here on Koh Rong Samloem and this is Saracen Beach. I'm not sure if that's pronounced right. This is our first full day, so we're going on a little trek through the jungle. It's only about a 20-minute walk to another beach called Lazy Beach. So let's go. Made it to the beach. Took about 25 minutes through the jungle. Yeah, this is it. We are literally the only people here. It's quite a cloudy day today. There's been thunderstorms overnight and stuff, so it is looking a bit murky.
Where it gets its name from as Lazy Beach. You could easily just chill out here for a long time. There's some bungalows over there which me and Soph have already considered to go stay in maybe. But the problem you get is that we're over the other side of the island, so I don't know how you'd get your stuff from one side to the other because there's no like bikes or anything on this island, so not as usual hard work, so probably might have to give that one a miss. But
or maybe a boat.
Maybe a boat.
The sand is
very soft.
It's brown here. On the other side where we're staying, it's white. I do prefer white sand, but it's still nice. Nice beach.
So the next day, us and our friends all got together and decided to get on a boat. We went swimming, we did fishing, we caught some fish, we even ate some fish. It was only $12 each, so it's well worth the money. You get taken to some really cool snorkeling spots. We bought some beers from the shop, so we had those during the trip as well. And then to finish the day, we just watched the sunset, so it was a really good day out. Then the guy gave us some fishing lines and we did a little bit of fishing. After about 20 minutes of sitting there, we finally caught a fish. We were proper buzzing.
If I put my,
it's bleeding.
Yeah, there's a plastic cups there.
Oh, look at that blood, man. It's a blood bath. Snaggy fish.
There is a fish ready, Ryan. One fish.
There's 5 fish for 15 people.
Yeah,
it's literally like the loaves of fish. Oh, Jesus.
Not cut out in front of him.
You just got to get this bit like right.
So the guy whacked out a barbecue and a cooking rack, stuck the fish on there, cooked them up, and then we just sort of ate it with our hands. And you can see us here just using a knife, cutting open the fish and eating it. We're not too sure whether the fish was cooked right or what the situation was really, but I think it's fair to say at this point we felt like proper backpackers, and we didn't get ill or anything, so yeah, it was fine. So it was time to leave Koh Rong Samloem. We had to get a boat from the island to Sihanoukville, I think that's how you say it. That journey took about 2 hours, and then from there we needed to get a bus to Kampot, but we were just going to sort that out when we get there, as we couldn't find any information online, so...
So we got off the ferry. There was a man there who sold us a bus ticket for $10 each to Kampot, which took us about 2.5 hours. As you can see, the ride was very bumpy. The road wasn't really a proper road, it was a bit of a dirt track. So yeah, it was a bit of a bumpy ride, but it's okay, at least we got there.
We then got a tuk-tuk with an app called Pass app, which is basically Cambodia's version of Uber, so make sure you get on that.
We've left it for weeks, haven't we? It's probably the longest we've gone. So we're in Kampot now. This is our view on the balcony. Lovely mountain view.
This looks good.
This is apparently the best burger in Cambodia, so let's check it out.
Very good service here. Very attentive. Banging.
Is it good? Is it the best in Cambodia?
It's the best burger in Cambodia. Lovely, mate.
Good, thank you.
Really nice, thank you. It's the best burger in Cambodia.
Yeah. Thank you for watching our video.
If you'd like to follow our journey, make sure you hit that like button, comment below and subscribe to our channel.
And if you'd like to be notified each time we post, then make sure you have the notification bell turned on below.